Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to trick your friends to making them think that you have millions of subscribers. Okay, first things first, go to YouTube. Once you go to YouTube, you're going to have to go to your channel. Once you're on your channel, you're just going to hold down on your subscribers count, right click and go to inspect. This bar on the right will pop up and you're going to have to go to the number of subscribers you have. Then right click and press edit as HTML. Delete the number that you have and add whatever realistic number that you have, or any realistic number. So I can just do like 15,375. And now right here, it says I have 15,375 subscribers. You can also do this with views. So like, if this isn't enough and your friends want proof, like you can open new pages and make views. So I can go to like one of my videos and change like the views. You do the same thing. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you guys enjoyed, goodbye.